Action. Time for you to do it, bro.
I don't want to do it, dog.
You gotta act. You gotta get your vlog on.
What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna put in the JB fuel line kit. It's a flex fuel kit. I have the flex fuel sensor on its way. And let's open this bad boy up.
Wow. Randy's a vlogger, y'all. Boy's good. All right, what we got in this John? Let's take it off the tripod and see what we got. So like Randy said, this is the JBTuned flex fuel kit for RSX. Ooh, top secret stuff.
I wonder what that is.
Ooh, we gonna find out, bro. JBTuned's been one of the longest running sponsors of the channel, always helping out me and the boys whenever we need anything fuel related, whether it's a fitting, whether it's a fuel line tuck kit, or whether it's basically having Randy's entire fuel line setup stuff.
So this is the hanger mod kit.
Yep.
This you're gonna be drilling and putting the AN barb slash whatever it is called.
That's how you do it, bro.
Sorry, JB. I don't know. He told me last night what it's called.
JB gonna be like, God dang. Ooh, what's that? The Fast and Furious package from 2 Fast and Furious? All right. Cha-ching. All right.
That's a bunch of fittings.
Bunch of fittings in here. We have some.
This is what comes off the tank, the fuel hanger, down to the. It goes hanger to filter, and then return is gonna be flex fuel.
It's gonna wait 180 degree flex fuel sensor. Yeah. 180 off the flex fuel sensor. I'm assuming.
Yeah, 0 to return.
All right. We got a lot of stuff going on. That's all the.
This is the return line. This is gonna be return 120 bottom regulator.
That boy, good boy.
That's that.
Come on.
And it's the feed. He labels everything too, which is
JB's
perfect.
the best, bro. Hey JB, if you're watching, I need a discount code so I can give it to people.
And this is for the fuel filter. This piece is not included.
Ooh, you got a special piece? Wow, you're good, bro.
This is you purchase separate for Honda.
But yeah, everything you see right here should be in your kit when you order it, unless Randy got some special stuff. Don't know yet.
This doesn't include in your kit.
Okay, yeah, the top secret stuff is only for Randy only, I guess. I don't know. Who knows?
This is separate. No, this is included in the kit. It's optional. You can pick that.
All right. All this, like I said, is in the description box down below. The JBTuned website.
The fuel filter.
You got the big one too? Yeah. That thing's massive, playboy. I'm glad Fred ain't here
Yeah,
though.
you know, he slapped you some JBTuned sticker, you know what I mean?
Probably right on the rear hatch, bro.
Yeah.
Support the locals. So, that's what we got cooking up today on Randy's RSX. Getting the build videos coming out now. First starting off the build is, we need fuel. So once we have all the fuel line stuff done today, and part of tomorrow when the flex fuel sensor come in, we'll get that first startup for you guys. And yeah,
tomorrow night.
Check the vlog, sir. What we doing?
So what we're doing today is gonna be drilling the hole and riv nut so it can hold us up by the tank, because it's gonna be right by the tank because the lines are not that long from the hanger mod. Yeah, I'm not good at vlogs.
It's all right, bro. They just want Randlow content, dog. I gotta give the people what they want, bro. Super facts. That boy Randy finna start a YouTube channel.
Psych.
Got to, bro.
I'll be like, start one and quit.
Start one, make 3 videos and quit. That I edited too. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now mocking up how we're gonna have this. So Randy got his fuel line that runs to the tank, putting it to the return of the fuel filter, because where it says flow, that goes from the fuel pump. I mean, not fuel pump, but the fuel tank to the rail, and then from the rail back to the, well, essentially it would be called the return. That's basically what this would is. So this right here is this return line.
No, it's my feed.
What? Where's your feed? You got your feed.
This feed goes through this.
Your feed should be the one that feeds the rail.
Yeah.
So this feeds. That's gonna. Okay.
Feed the rail.
So where's that? What? I'm confused.
The filter goes on that side. I talked to JB last night. That's what he said.
We got some light in this John. So this is basically how we're gonna go about doing it. But yeah, I don't think the Sharpie's gonna work. You're gonna have to get like a drill bit that's skinny and then like hammer it.
Tap it.
Yeah, and use like a punch.
Oh, no, I just use a screw with a hammer.
Oh, that works.
You hit it. You right there.
There you go, bro. You're so cool. So these are the 2 holes that we placed. Looks uneven. They really do look uneven. But you won't even notice it. So
They're not even?
they don't look even. I mean, yeah, I think this one, yeah, the one on the right side is a little higher. But I mean, you got leeway with that bracket, so it's okay. Yeah. Oh, you found a Christmas tree drill bit. So yeah, now we're gonna drill a bit, a little more. Open the hole a little bit more so we can put the rib nut in there. Cause this goes like that in there, and then we're good to go. So that's what we gotta do. So on our Christmas drill bit, we went to the second to last one on the thing. So if you have a drill bit like this size, where it's skinny, super skinny, not the fat Christmas drill bit, I went to the second to last one, so you guys can't even see, but yeah, well, you got the second to last one, and then it's fine. Now we already got the rib thing.
It's my first time doing this.
I know, bro. Don't be too scared, bro. You got it. You just gotta pipe down on it, dog. Oh. You got it, bro. Oh.
I'm shaking too much.
You good, bro. Oh, you know how to use. I don't know how to use no rib gun. Should be a pop noise, I think.
I don't think so.
That's it?
Yep.
You're good, bro.
That should be fair for.
Wow. All right, checking back in. It's been like a process of 2 hour and a half. Randy had to go get a haircut, but we're back at it. We got the 2 bolts up top bolted down. Now he's doing his feed line. Ooh, let's see if Randy knows what he's doing. This should be very interesting. You got this, boy. You got these. Oh, wow, you're good. I guess I should now speak in my Nigerian accent. Because Randy boy is really good at what he does.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh! That's a big foot. Big feet equates to big. So the rear end of things is almost done until tomorrow. So we're going to focus on the front end side of things. And what we're going to do now is run his regulator to this right here. So we're going to completely get rid of this fitting. We're no longer going to need it. And then the fitting that came with JB's kit comes with the 8 to an 8, which bolts onto the regulator, because the 8 regulator inlet is an 8, I think, inlet or outlet, one of them things. And basically that's what we're gonna do, dog. That's how we rockin', and show boxing, booty shooty hootie.
That's a hybrid jump. Bitch, nice.
Stop cursing, bitch.
Oh.
I don't know how to edit the curse words on the new editing program, so I just been saying shit a lot. And
Can't say shit.
I don't know. I mean, I haven't got demonetized yet, so I guess I'm okay. Rockin' to the wrong one. That it is the wrong one. That is the wrong side, Randy. That's the wrong side. I'm just playing. Don't listen to me, dog.
Go ahead, Randy.
Why? Lowercase. I just like lowercase.
Oh. What's up, peeps? It's nighttime. You know we had.
Oh shit! Oh, that's some good. Go back, bro. That's some good camera thing.
So yo, me and Mom had to get a haircut, so we had to stop working on the car. Now we back. Fuel lines.
We basically got the lines in.
Hey,
no
cussing, no cussing, bro.
Demonetized already.
Hey, thank you, Hybrid,
Ain't
for
getting no
sending out
money.
Randy his parts.
It's not hybrid, bro.
This is JB.
Actually, all right. So today we went ahead and installed JB's kit. So shout outs to JB for it. And Hybrid. Yeah. Alright, that's it. We ended the vlog. Peace.
It ain't done yet.
We'll be back.
Yeah. It's been like a week later, as you can tell by the hair change. Back at Randy's house. We gotta finish the rest of this JBTuned install video. Randy had a nice week-long vacation. Now we're back. So, quick update for the hanger mod kit that you have to do for the JBTuned kit. It's something like this. Randy he ain't mess up, but
I didn't really mess up. Just when you do it, move back a little bit and then clean this out more. Take all this out. You don't need this.
So you gonna Dremel that off or something?
Yeah. just cut that off, jumble it out. That way you can be able to drill more in. You're not too close to this edge right here. I'm like on the border, as you can see.
I like my chicks on the border.
Yep.
Or over the border.
But
yeah,
I'm safe, but I can't. I can't. I need the silicone.
Oh, you didn't even go buy the silicone yet.
I went. You're close.
Ooh.
Yep. I went when I came back from the airport just now.
Ooh.
Yep, so.
God damn. All right, so Randy got his flex fuel sensor. That is a GM brand sensor. You can get those from your dealerships for like not that expensive. They're around like the price range of $30 to $50 depending on where you get it. I highly suggest maybe Rock Auto. Where'd you buy yours from?
Amazon.
Amazon. So there you go. Amazon or eBay would, you know, be your best bet as well because free shipping. But yeah, he did his riv nut thing so he can mount up the flex fuel sensor bracket and then along with the flex fuel sensor, and then that is it. Boy, beast. So we're almost getting done, and hopefully by the end of this video we'll have a first start. God damn, what happened to your support rod for your jack thing, dog?
What support rod?
You don't see, I mean your thing, your jack beam support stuff. That shit look ate up. Like Courage the Cali dog got it. You don't know what the hell I'm talking about, do you?
No.
This fool.
Oh, it's dirty.
Oh, damn, y'all. It's just dirty. Alright, back to the productions. Quick update. Gas tank is now up. I didn't want to film it because, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory how to put a gas tank up. Same way you took it, removed it. So, that's done. Randy just finished up the rest of his evap stuff. And then from there, we have to run the lines to the hanger mod. And I think they already ran to the engine bay. So, I'll update you guys the more we go along. I got a great vlogging voice, don't I, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Thank you, man. I worked hard on it. It took me 10 years. Thank you, bro. I tried, dog.
Should be turning me on.
It turns you on. Whoa.
Hold that up there.
Alright, so hybrid racing fuel rail along with the fuel pressure regulator. Go ahead and install that, John, Playboy. FIC 1000cc injectors. You know, we run FIC around here, Playboy. Support the locals. Keynote. Ooh, that looks horrible. Yuck. Alright, there. Like I got AIDS. Keynote. If you want to install these, put oil around the your O-ring, and then it'll make for an easier, simpler install without pinching the O-ring. Yes, sir. Show me the backside, bro. Pause. Yeah, man. There we go.
Make sure when you do inside, when you get for this nut, make sure it's all smooth out inside so the nut can sit flush.
Yeah, man. Look at
Do
that.
the same thing for this side. Make sure all this is smooth out. You might have to grind down some layer for the washer to sit. But on that,
Good, bro.
and try to watch out for this. You don't want to be too much on the skirt right here.
All right. Install time. Let's go. Yes, sir. Kit is installed, son. All right, guys. So the moment of truth. Fuel pump kit is done. JB, I apologize. This is not how you wanted it to be filmed, but it's filmed. Now I'm already just loading the gas up in there, John. I'm gonna load a map on it. The straight gas?
Yeah. So the ATV. We forgot it. It's my uncle's. I'll put a new one.
What gas in there? 87?
Yeah, that's so smart, bro.
That is 87.
God damn it, Ray.
Let's go get gas, bro.
I didn't think about the grade.
It's alright. It's not a lot in there.
I mean, you could just use it and burn it out and then just put 90. Yeah, bro, you can put that in there. When you go get gas, just put 93 in there and just drain it all out that way. Should be good, dog. So we're gonna send her anyway. 87 in the John. Ready?
Go ahead.
Alright.
Be ready, dog.
Nigga finna wake up the whole house.
Holy shit. ELD circuit high voltage.
I need a TPS.
No, you don't got a TPS code.
I do need one because.
Wait, is this shit recording though, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, that shit started, dog. That shit sounded fucking wow.
Yeah, how
3 years later, dog. That bitch running. 3 years later, that bitch running.
That shit sounds nice too.
Motor sound good. That shit sound nice. You wanna give it one more try?
You a hot mess.
TPS is called run like that.
Oh, my bad.
You know, TPS can cause all sorts of lean and rich too. Well, we don't have
Baby got his car started.
We don't have a. Let me disable most of all this bullshit you have over.
It's alive.
It's alive, baby. It's alive. Yo, you should hire me to be your video editor.
What the fuck y'all doing?
So, babe, why was it smoking hard over there?
Because all that stuff is new.
You gotta up it from there.
I know.
Oh.
But I had time because I'm trying to over here.
You tuning it up? You tuning it up?
Wait.
So I really know how to turn this off. We're just gonna record random shit and have him have to edit all this.
Yo, put me on the video, dog. Yo. 4 year dog. You see me, dog? The man touched the road, car start up. You don't know already, dog.
Yeah, dog.
Wake up the whole blood clot neighborhood. We don't give a fuck.
We don't give a fuck. Look at the neighborhood. No light. Alright, here, babe. I done vlogging. Percy, thank you. Come again.
Turn the recorder.